Let's get started.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to our passion project series. Um, Huge shout out to everyone who subscribed within the last 28 days. Were great, awesome. Thank you very much. Got us up to 10 subs. Woohoo! But for right now, hold up. Before we get back into the passion project, let's talk about something real quick. This Andrew Warner Linux for Absolute Beginners book that you right here, not sponsored by the way, not sponsored, um, teaches you everything you need to know about installing the operating system of Linux. It uses Ubuntu as its example. I actually have it. I got it for my birthday. Quite cool. I read it a lot. Well, not too much because I haven't been doing Linux lately, but you get the gist. Um, but yeah, let's dive back in where we left off. Here, boom. Let me type in my super secret password. Let's see, was that one the right one? No. Okay. Oh, there we are. I think. Okay. Um, I've changed my mind about making a game. Instead, what we are gonna do is make um a oh, that was the hint. Oh, no. You can't see that. You can't see that yet. You can't see that yet. That's gonna be later. Okay. I found what happened. So, I'll restart this all over again. So, first thing, going on to shoutouts again. Um, is a few of my friends from my old element, Braze and Gavin. Hope y'all are watching this. It's gonna be quite interesting actually. But yeah, they were actually I do think that they were the people who got us up to 10 subs. Yeah, I think they were. So yeah, shout out to them. Um, my intro, shout out to my grandfather for allowing me to use that song, the intro. His channel link will be linked down below. It will be linked down below. Um, Same with the code link. I will find out how to set that up. Um, but yes, I will have the code in down in the description for you, or you can just follow along as I go. Okay? But for now, let's get on to this. Um, let's change the name actually to math.py. Um, so as we know, hashtag is a comment. Then I just type importations, then import math, then that's it. Then functions, functions. I love it. This GitHub Copilot. Um, oh, variable equals code Wrong. Try calculation. I'll just go with that. Code 2. Right now what I'm doing is I am typing out the code for what we're doing right now. Code. Check for red, yellow. Here we go, going on to the math part here in a second. Function, thank you. Actually, ooh. A 6 B 18 33. Then functions. So F calculate. That's cool. Um um so if A plus B, wait, A, hold on, A C, hold on, calculate all 6 plus 18. Other variable, oh, F equals, because E equals dot S is equal D and if is correct, elif, meaning else if, by, okay, whatever, A plus B minus C is E, what? I know I said F, idiot. It's not. Do print error code 1, else print error code 2. Then F2, ooh, B, then 3, I'll, uh, while on this, let's go on to Tony, talk about famous people, good coding. Okay, here is Ada Lovelace, aka the mother of coding. Um, what she did. Ada Lovelace, often regarded as the first computer programmer, in 1843 wrote an algorithm, the first algorithm. She wrote the first algorithm intended for Charles Babbage's analytical engine. Her work laid the foundation for future programming languages. How she did it. The first computer program. Ada Lovelace is credited with writing the first computer program for. Oh, we already said that part. In her work, she described a method for the machine to calculate Bernoulli, or I don't know how you pronounce that, numbers, which is recognized by the foundation of programming. Key insights. Lovelace's contributions included several insights. Sequence of instructions. She understood that a computer could follow a series of instructions, allowing it to perform complex tasks beyond simple calculations. Beyond applications beyond numbers. Lovelace was the first to recognize that computers could make. What am I saying? First to recognize that computers could manipulate various forms of information, not just numerical data. This foresight included the potential for encoding music and other non-numerical information. The legacy. Lovelace's work had laid the groundwork for modern programming. Her vision of computers as versatile tools for various applications has influenced the development of programming languages and other computer science as a whole. Today, she is often regarded as the first computer programmer, as it's said up here, and her contributions are celebrated annually on Ada Lovelace Day, which honors women in science, technology, and mathematics, or STEM. Here's a timeline of the programming languages created. 1949, assembly language, low-level programming for early computers. In 1957, Fortran came out, first high-level language for scientific and engineering computing. And actually, assembly, shown up here, is actually still used today for most games such as Call of Duty, Forza, many others. I'll have a list up here to show you the actual ones. Only a few though. Let the whole screen be filled up. 1958, Lisp, one of the first languages for artificial intelligence. I actually didn't know that. That's quite cool. Python is the one that's more for AI. So that was technically uh, God dang. 1964, BASIC came out. Yeah, it's basic. It it was it made programmable accessible to beginners. That's why they named it basic. It was like literally basic. 1959, COBOL came out. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Don't sue me. Designed for business and administrative data processing. Wait a minute, I skipped that. Oh my. I'm a bad boy. Okay. In 1970, Pascal came out. It was designed for teaching structured programming. I don't know if that's still used today. In 1972, C came out. Powerful language, I mean, powerful systems language that influenced many others. Um, so C is actually used for like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and all those other operating systems. Um, it's used to like create them. Um, I will do another video on showing like how Windows was made or something like that eventually, but not right now. 1978, C++ came out. It was the twin brother of C. Um, the extension of C with object-oriented features. C++ is also what you would see in Call of Duty, Forza, many others. Same with C sharp. Um, so it's C sharp, JavaScript, Java, C++, Python, rarely, C, and that's it. For, well, also, we have HTML. It's not on here though, sadly. But yes, those are all the things that you would see in websites, AI, video games, images you want to make for like Photoshop, etc. But yeah, 1983 Python came out. High level language emphasizing readability and simplicity. Python is actually used for most AIs now. Um, quite wild. 1983 Perl came out. High level language for text processing and scripting. I've never heard of this. Neither have I heard of Visual Basic. It was simplified programming for Windows applications. I will tell you, mind you, Windows didn't come out until 1995. So this is 3 years, 4 years actually, 4 years early from when Windows actually came out. Um, but yeah, I've never heard of Visual Basic. 1995, Java and JavaScript both came out. So Java was write once, run anywhere philosophy. JavaScript brings interacted. I don't know how you pronounce that, to the web. 2000, C Sharp came out. It was the modern language for the .NET platform. No, not for like um what do you call it? For like website domains. It's for like imaging and for Microsoft .NET framework, which I will actually show you right now real quick. Um Microsoft .NET. See right here. That's it. That's what C Sharp is really meant for. But yeah. And then in 2001, PHP came out. That's for the server side scripting for web development. In 2005, Ruby came out. I actually never knew about Ruby. Developer friendly language emphasizing productivity. In 2009, Go was created. I don't know if you knew this, but Google was actually made in the Go programming language, hence why it says Go. Actually, I'll show you again. Was was Google made in the Go program language? Yep, it was designed at Google in 2007. Oh, so it says Google itself was not made in the Go programming language, but Go was developed by the Google employees. Okay, I didn't know that. Oh, it was used for YouTube and cloud infrastructure. Okay, that makes sense. Then 2014, Swift came out. It's modern language for iOS and macOS app development. In 2015, I never knew about this one. Kotlin came out. Modern concise language for JVM and Android development. That's quite cool. But yeah, future Tony signing out. Okay, I think I have made up my mind now. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Quick little break. Um, uh, so A times B divided by F minus C plus C plus D. Oh, I forgot the if. 100 is correct. Let's print error code 2. So, for right now, this is all we're gonna do. This is all we're gonna do. For this. For today. But I will show you the next hint for our next series, which will be on the one, the only Kerbal Space Program. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, sounded tough. I don't know. Y'all can rate me. Y'all can rate me. It's a very fun game. I will actually show you something about it that's quite wild. So, see, overwhelmingly positive. This game came out 2015, 1 year after I was born. Or most of us were born. I'm talking about the people at my school, not to the other people watching. So all in all, 79, actually no, 80,000 people have rated this game. Now, do you even want to know what KSP2 looks like? Because I will tell you right now, it's not pretty. I'll show you. Look at this. 22,338 people voted either mostly negative or overwhelmingly negative on this game. And this came out on my birthday, 2023. I was really disappointed when I heard about that. I'm like, bro, Private Division, why'd you hire Intercept Games, bro? And actually, the game got, it's no long, it's no longer being used. but it still says it's in early access. If you are here because of the recent Artemis 2 launch, do not buy KSP. The publisher screwed over the developers. Yes, Private Division actually did screw over Intercept Games. Like, they fired all of their workers who were working on KSP2. And I don't know what Private Division's doing now. But they can't work on this game without Intercept Games or Squad anymore. Because if you notice, Squad was the developer of KSP2, while Private Division launched the game. But yeah, it's $40. I think that's wild, especially considering KSP2's 50. Private Division, please lower the price if you're watching this. Like, the game's old. I know you're not working on it anymore, but modders are. Like, there's a whole load of modders. I will be posting a video about, like, how to download the mods for KSP. Or you can just go search it up on a different guy's YouTube channel. But yeah. So here we go. So, this time, // is for a comment. Throttle set 0.5 will set the throttle. Oh, hold up. Set throttle to 0.5, then a dot at the end. What? Back to the very. Oh, set throttle 0.5. What? Not. Just do a quick fix. Oh, it's lock throttle. That's right. If you know KSP, I know someone in my class. I'm not gonna say their name because I don't want to give out personal information. I would never do that. I would never do that. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? Playing games. You go watch my other videos, you might be able to see him pop in. Actually, no, he doesn't pop in. Oh no, he actually does in my Going Medieval episode 1. But yeah, so that you get the gist. Stage is to stage the rocket, then print stage activated. It's basically like Python, but a little less confusing. So like function, my function, print this is a function. See? Like, it's easy. It's easy stuff. I will do a whole thing about this later. But for now, let's go test our Python code. Print math B. Oh, that's right. They do that. And print algebra. And now what we can do is Python 3 only for Linux. Well, at least I think it's only for Linux. I don't know. And math.py. Math is correct on both ends. Oh, take that back. Error. Math is wrong. Retry calculations. Okay. But I don't know why it has that none thing there. I think it's. Oh. Hold up. Should probably set it down right here. Hold up. Print math B. Print pre-algebra. Okay, let's see if that works. Python 3. math.py. Nope. But it did do it much faster. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching the video. Cue the outro music. See you on the next one.